Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by registering your app in the Shopify developer dashboard and capturing the client ID and client secret. Treat them like credentials. Once done, install Node.js and NPM and scaffold a tiny Express server to handle OAuth redirects. Make a decision now. Use authorization code flow when you need user scopes like playback or playlists versus client credentials if you only call public endpoints. Make sure the redirect URI in the dashboard exactly matches your server route, so the auth exchange will succeed. Next, you implement the OAuth handshake. Create an /auth endpoint that redirects users to Spotify's authorized URL with the correct scopes and a random state string to prevent CSRF. After the user consents, Spotify returns a code to your /callback route. Exchange that code server-side for access and refresh tokens using a post with your client ID/secret. Once you have tokens, store them securely on the server and add a scheduled refresh routine that uses the refresh token to request new access tokens. Finally, integrate API calls. Attach authorization. Bearer access token to fetch user profile, playlists, or control playback endpoints. When you receive 401 responses, refresh the token automatically and retry once. For 429 rate limit responses, read the retry after header, wait, and retry. Make sure to validate scopes returned so features match permissions. If things go wrong, log the full request and response. Inspect token expiry and verify redirect URIs. One mismatch is the most common blocker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.